Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily add and customize buttons in your Getresponse landing page. If you don't yet have a Getresponse account, make sure to check the link in the description below. You can use it to create a free forever Getresponse account with 30 days access to all Getresponse premium features. Now let's get started. After opening our landing page, here we can see the buttons element in the toolbar. To add a new button, simply drag and drop this element into any section of the landing page. We have multiple options to edit buttons in our landing page. First, to resize the selected button, drag these outer indicators to increase or decrease the button size. And to move the button, simply drag and drop the button element anywhere in the landing page. To change the button text, double-click on the default text and start typing the preferred call to action. To access all the customization options, double-click anywhere on the button. Using this toolbar, we have multiple editing options that we will review now from left to right. First, we can change the text font from this list. We can use one of the default fonts available or add a new font by scrolling down to the list and clicking Add New Font. Then we can add a web font and a fallback font as we clarified before in our landing page text editing video. Next, we can change the font size by using these up and down arrows, or by directly adding the font size value into this field. And from this icon, we can also change the text color and the color opacity level. Then we have the text styling options: bold, italics, underscore, and strike through. And we can add links to the button from this link icon. From here, we can direct the visitor to one of the following options: redirect to a web address, prompt the visitor to call a phone number, send an email, or redirect the visitor to another section inside the landing page when clicking the button. Also from this icon, we can add a shadow color to the text, change its direction, distance, and blur levels. And from here, we can change the button color. The button color can either be a solid color, a gradient of two colors, or we can choose an image directly from our computer, or from thousands of free Getresponse images, or premium Shutterstock images. And the last icon here can be used to add a border and a shadow to the whole button. We can change the border style, size, color, change the radius to have rounded corners for the button, and also add and edit the shadow color for the button. And from this tab, we can add a shadow and a border that appear when hovering the mouse over the button. Finally, as we saw in our previous videos, to duplicate a button, choose the button and click the plus icon at the top. And to delete it, click the delete icon from here, or click the delete key on your keyboard. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to get notified with every new video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. For more tutorials, check the playlists in the description below for step-by-step guides on how to use Getresponse. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.